Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're outside a house flip we are almost done with. So we're going to show you inside, show you a surprise we found in the backyard as well. We always seem to have neat surprises at our flips and talk about the numbers as well. Of course, we love it when you like, subscribe, comment on our videos, so keep that up. Love hearing what you guys think of our properties. And we apologize for being so slow on some of these lately. We've just had so many things going on with the liquor store, mini mart, the bar, other rental properties, other flips, that we've kind of slowed down fixing stuff up, but we're getting stuff done. And then we've had less flips lately too, which is partly because we're doing so many other things and partly because it's just really hard to find flips right now. The market is just so crazy. So we are still trying to buy stuff. I just got another one under contract to buy, but we won't be able to see it for a while either because it's rented. So, but we are trying to buy stuff. I might get another one under contract as well. We'll see how all that goes. Out here you can see we repainted things, and we'll do a before, or I'll link to the video before at least, and maybe splice in some. We'll see how motivated I am. But this is not one that needed a ton of work, but the few things we were able to do really made a huge difference. So this house has a huge addition. You can see it's way bigger than it looks from the outside. And it's got 3 bedrooms up front, and I paid $265,000 for it, and should be worth, boy, wouldn't surprise me if it was worth close to 400 with the market. And then it has a really nice garage and shop out back as well. But we didn't have to do a whole lot here. Flooring, paint, and then there was a wall right here that kind of separated the house, and we took part of that out. That made a huge difference opening it up. Another bedroom here. And we used kind of a newer contractor on this one who had some issues in the floor and different things. He did actually come back and fix it, and one of our other contractors helped him out. But we've had to bring a few other people in because he couldn't quite do everything to finish everything. So we're slowly making progress. We're almost there. A lot of people want us to move the floor plan, really change things around, but you really don't have to right now in this market. This is a laundry room here, just because we're also in a small town with almost nothing for sale here. And the shop will be a huge bonus as well too. The kitchen, we just painted the cabinets. We left the counters. I know some people say they're horrible. We showed them on Instagram and TikTok, but we are going to replace the sink. That'll definitely be done. But Nikki matched kind of the grout with the counters, and in person they actually look pretty good. I know they're not perfect, but they actually look pretty good in person, and saves us so much money because of this bar and overhang. I mean, that is a custom counter you'd have to put in. You can't just get, Home Depot laminate or anything. You almost have to go granite, and that would add $2,000 to $3,000, maybe more, to the budget that we really don't need to do. So that's why we did that. And then our bathroom, our plumber's coming to clean things up, make it look a lot better, because it still needs a little bit of work. But it's kind of the worst part of the house is very tight in here and small. But again, it would take $5,000 or more, probably more than that, to move it. And then you've really got to figure out the layout. But I think with a big addition here, you can see this awesome family room and the big garage out back, I don't think it'll have a problem selling. So, and then we'll show you what we found out back. And the neighbor was back out there, so I'm not doing a whole lot of filming right now. But I did show you what's going on back there. It almost freaked me out for a second. So I walked back there, and the first thing I see is a trailer sitting there behind the property. I'm like, oh my God, whose is this? And then the neighbor came over from behind the house and said, hey, that's your other neighbor's trailer. He put it over there. I don't know why, but you can see we still have some junk back here and stuff too that needs taken out. But it was this neighbor right over here, brought over the trailer because of some of the other history we've had on this channel with campers and trailers and different things. But in the end, I think we figured out it'll be okay, hopefully. All right, so that's the house. We're really close. We just have to have a few other minor touches come in. We came here, we thought it would be all the way done, but of course it never is. There's always something else to do. And so we'll have our guys come back, fix up those minor things. We'll get professional pictures taken, get it professionally cleaned, get it staged, and then put on the market. Yes, I know I said you don't need to do a whole lot when selling, to still sell properties. However, staging, cleaning, pictures is really easy to do and actually somewhat affordable. So that's why we still do that. It does make a big difference. And we've had houses where we staged and didn't stage on the same house, and it just made a massive difference on selling, on how the pictures look, on just the impressions the house has. So, all right, thanks for watching. Love the comments, love the shares, love seeing new subscribers. Keep that coming. Like I said, we'll have a lot more other videos coming up here of our other businesses, flips, rentals, advice videos, all kinds of things. It's kind of a crazy housing market now. So if you haven't seen some of my recent videos, I talk about housing crash, I talk about interest rates, talk about hedge funds, all kinds of stuff on my real estate advice playlist. So check that out. All right, we'll be back.